Today I wanted to give you the measurements on this Lomotech string lights that I recently purchased online. This is going to be a 2-pack, so it's got this one here and then also this one here, and then comes with those parts there for it as well. A couple of things I wanted to give you the measurements on. First of all, I want to give you the measurements between each light. Now each light is kind of just a bulb here and here, so I want to give you the measurement, but obviously you can see it's going to be a pretty thin copper wire that runs between these light bulbs. So you do want to be careful not to break that wire when you are putting up. We've got about 4 inches between each of the bulbs, and the last bulb is going to be right at the very end. The next thing I wanted to measure is how far it is from this solar panel to the first light. So from the solar panel itself all the way stretched out, we're going to be right at 80 inches before we go to the copper wire. So it's got like a plastic wire, and then it's going to be a hair over. So we're going to be right at 83 inches before we get to the first bulb. So you're going to have a almost 7 foot right between where the solar panel goes and where your first bulb is going to be. So that gives you plenty of opportunity to put the solar panel where it needs to go, and then you got 7 foot to string before you start to get lights. So say for example you're doing this around a tree and you're struggling with, okay, where do I put this so it gets the most sunlight? You can easily stretch this out somewhere away from the base of the tree. You've got up to 7 feet, and then your light can start at the base of the tree without any issue, since you don't have any bulbs for the first approximately 7 foot.